Welcome to agriculture. Today we're diving into two amazing and sustainable gardening tips that can transform your gardening game. First, we'll explore the incredible role of baking soda in enhancing your soil and protecting your plants. Then, we'll show you how to turn common weeds into a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with practical knowledge to boost your garden's health and productivity. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're excited to learn about these sustainable practices. Let's start with baking soda, a humble ingredient often found in our kitchens. But did you know that this common household item can be a game changer in your garden? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, plays a crucial role in enhancing soil quality and plant health. When you sprinkle baking soda around your vegetable plants, it helps to regulate soil pH levels. Most vegetables thrive in slightly acidic to neutral soil, and by using baking soda, you can help create that optimal environment. This is especially beneficial for plants like tomatoes and peppers, which prefer a balanced pH for nutrient absorption. In addition to improving soil conditions, baking soda acts as a natural pesticide. Pests can quickly become a gardener's nightmare, but with a simple mixture, you can create an effective defense. By dissolving 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda in 2 liters of water, you create a spray that can be used to combat common garden pests, such as aphids and spider mites. When sprayed on the leaves of your vegetables, this solution disrupts the pest's ability to feed and reproduce, significantly reducing their population without the harsh chemicals found in commercial pesticides. But that's not all. Baking soda can also help prevent fungal diseases like powdery mildew. This fungal infection can devastate your plants, but a baking soda solution, made by mixing 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a gallon of water, can act as a preventative measure. Simply spray this mixture on your plants, particularly in humid conditions, to create an environment that is less hospitable to fungus. Moreover, baking soda has a range of applications in gardening that go beyond soil enhancement and pest control. For instance, it can be used to clean gardening tools, neutralize odors in compost bins, and even improve the crispness of your harvested vegetables. When mixed with water, baking soda can help remove dirt and grime from tools, ensuring they remain in good condition for years to come. Additionally, if you have a compost bin that starts to smell, a sprinkle of baking soda can help neutralize unpleasant odors, making your composting experience much more pleasant. Now that we've covered the amazing benefits of baking soda, let's move on to our second topic: transforming weeds into a powerful liquid fertilizer. Many gardeners view weeds as a nuisance, but in reality, they can be a fantastic resource. Weeds like dandelions, nettles, and clover are rich in nutrients that can benefit your garden. To create your homemade liquid fertilizer, start by collecting a variety of weeds from your garden. Be sure to choose weeds that haven't been treated with herbicides or pesticides, as you want to keep your fertilizer organic. Once you've gathered your weeds, chop them up into smaller pieces and place them in a container, filling it about halfway. Next, add water to the container, covering the weeds completely. Let this mixture steep for about 1 to 2 weeks. During this time, beneficial nutrients from the weeds will leach into the water, creating a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. After the steeping period, strain out the solid plant material, and you'll be left with a potent liquid fertilizer that you can dilute and use on your garden. When you apply this homemade fertilizer, you're providing your plants with essential nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, all of which support healthy growth and productivity. Dilute the liquid fertilizer with water, typically a ratio of 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water, and use it to nourish your vegetable plants every couple of weeks during the growing season. In addition to the fantastic uses of baking soda and homemade weed fertilizers, another powerful and sustainable option for enriching your garden is charcoal. You might be surprised to learn that charcoal can serve as an effective fertilizer when prepared correctly. This process involves chopping charcoal into smaller pieces and mixing it with water to create a nutrient-rich solution. Charcoal, particularly biochar, enhances soil health by improving its structure and increasing its ability to retain moisture and nutrients. When you mix chopped charcoal with water, you're essentially creating a charcoal slurry that can be applied to your garden. This mixture not only adds organic matter to the soil, but also helps to create a more hospitable environment for beneficial microorganisms, which play a crucial role in nutrient cycling. Moreover, charcoal can help mitigate soil acidity and improve drainage, making it an excellent amendment for various types of garden soils. To use this charcoal fertilizer, simply apply the slurry around your plants, ensuring that you are evenly distributing it in the root zone. This will provide your plants with a slow-release source of nutrients while also enhancing the overall quality of your soil. As you incorporate charcoal into your gardening practices, you'll notice improved plant health and increased resilience against pests and diseases. So, if you're looking for another natural way to boost your garden's productivity, consider adding charcoal to your list of sustainable fertilizers. Remember, gardening is all about experimenting and finding what works best for you. So why not give charcoal a try and see how it transforms your garden? As you can see, baking soda is not just for baking. It's a versatile tool in sustainable gardening. By enhancing soil quality, acting as a natural pesticide, and preventing fungal diseases, baking soda can elevate your gardening efforts to the next level. And don't forget about the power of weeds. Instead of pulling them out and tossing them aside, harness their potential by turning them into a nutrient-rich fertilizer. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Agriculture for more sustainable gardening advice. Share your experiences with baking soda and homemade fertilizers in the comments below. I'd love to hear how these tips work for you. Until next time, happy gardening!